show you some footage here that's going to kind of blow your mind. You're going to have to look really close. I'm going to play this at 3 different speeds. It's not this caterpillar that you see right in the middle, but right above it you're going to see something moving. See right there by my finger. I'm going to play this at different speeds. This is just your standard raw footage. Now I'm going to go to half speed. Did you see that thing wiggling right there? Now there's something even more interesting after this, is where I see a face of a little creature that has a beak, and you see right there at the top. I'm going to play it again. You guys need to really watch. First of all, this thing moves very erratically. It looks like a tail. It kind of comes into focus right here. And then watch how quickly this thing moves. In less than 1 frame it moves. Here it's in focus a little bit more. You can see the body, it's kind of moving a little bit, and then watch, it's going to move. See how quickly? See the eyes? Follow it up to the top left and you'll see a little, kind of like a bird-like face with black eyes. Here, I'm going to go a little slower this time. So what you're going to look for is the face. I'm going to put a little arrow. This is, see right here, it's kind of wiggling. Watch it, it'll wiggle. See, it wiggles down. This thing you're seeing, and it kind of wiggles around, and the camera comes into focus in a second here. But this is, I don't think this is an insect. This thing moves way too quick, and I see there's like a face. This could be some type of alien creature, very small, about 1 inch long, with a beak. See, watch, this is its tail or something moving. Okay, remember again, this is going really slow, like 25% speed. And I caught this watching this film, and I just kept seeing this. I couldn't figure out what it was. The more I look at it, now watch to the top as it goes upward. There'll be a little face with a beak right there. See that? See the eyes? As it goes upward, there's a little, it's like a little bird with eyes, very, very creepy looking. Okay, this is even slower. Here I'm going to go to, I think, 1/5 of the speed of 100%. Now you can see, there it goes. See how quickly it moved up, and then there's the eyes, and it looks like a little body almost, and the 2 eyes right there kind of looking at me with a beak. So okay, one more slow motion. You can see where the arrow is there. This is where the creature starts out at, and then you'll see it disappear really quickly. Watch this. And within 1 frame, gone. Okay, watch now. See now. Look for the eyes up here, where the arrow's at. See, it looks like a bird forming. It's got like wings. There's like a beak, 2 black eyes, and it almost looks like it has wings where it kind of flaps away. It's got kind of like a pointy head. See the beak? It's almost like it's a multi-dimensional creature. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below, but that's pretty interesting. I don't see an explanation for that. Alright guys, see you next time. Hopefully there's some answers, because this is really, the more I look at this, the more I don't have an answer.